Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I make my wigs bone straight. This method will leave your unit feeling soft, smooth, and very shiny. I use this method on most of my straight wigs to kind of take it up a notch to give that nice sleek look. If you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then please keep watching. This is a headband wig, so I already went ahead and prepped my natural hair in a braided ponytail in the back, and I also did my edges, and then I just applied a wig cap to keep it all in place. The hair that I'll be using in this video today is provided by Luvme hair. I received their 24-inch straight headband wig, and the quality is very soft and tangle free. And this is how the hair looks straight out the box. Before I put on the wig, I want to show you guys what it looks like on the inside. It comes with 4 clips on the inside to make sure that it's extra secure, and it also has a Velcro latch so it stays on. I also received a variety of cute little headbands that I'm going to be wearing today. I think I'm going to be choosing the pink one because that is my favorite color. So now it is time for me to apply the wig, so I'm just going to basically be putting it on. So now I'm just going to be getting the clips on the inside and making sure that I secure those to my hair. That way it stays in place all day. And now I'm just going to be getting the Velcro ends and I'm just going to be clamping them on together. Now that it's securely on my head, it should look something like this. Next, what I'm going to be doing is getting a headband, and I'm going to be putting it over the black band just to kind of cover it and make sure that it looks extra cute. I think that the headbands just add a little something extra rather than the black band. And as you can see with the headband, it just makes it 10 times better. Now I'm going to be applying some oil before straightening my hair. Now this, guys, is the key to having that bone straight hair. I'm only going to be adding 2 drops of oil to each side of the hair. I'm not going to be applying too much oil because when you do, it can become really stringy, and we don't want that. We want it to just be nice and sleek. So only use a little bit of oil. Adding oil before straightening your hair will make sure that your hair comes out bone straight, and it'll provide a nice, smooth, and silky finish. Now I'm going to be using my flat iron, and I'm going to begin by straightening section by section. And now after I'm done straightening, as you guys can see, it looks absolutely flawless. It looks nice and bone straight, and it's really shiny, and it just looks like high quality hair. And this is how it looks side by side when it's straightened versus unstraightened. And now it's time to work on the other side. I'm going to be repeating the same process. And here is the finished look. I now have bone straight hair that looks absolutely amazing. I think this wig is perfect because it was so easy to install, and it's the perfect wig when you're in a rush or you just want something easy to put on and still look flawless. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial, and I'll be leaving all the information on this wig in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, lovelies.